Hello everyone, my name is Precious and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about what cryptocurrency is, the difference between cryptocurrency and traditional money bank, the disadvantages and advantages of cryptocurrency, and how cryptocurrency works. Let's dive in. You might be wondering, what is cryptocurrency? What's crypto? People are talking about it, it's everywhere on social media. And you might be confused, why are they calling it crypto? Some call it cryptocurrency. What does it really mean? Take a cheap pill. I'm here to break it down for you. When you hear cryptocurrency or you hear crypto, they're actually the same thing. Crypto is a short form for cryptocurrency. So when you hear crypto or cryptocurrency, they're actually talking about the same thing. Now, what's cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital money that lives on the internet. You cannot touch it, neither can you see it. But you can make payments with it, send and receive money, and make other transactions with it online. Unlike a traditional money bank, where you can deposit your money, withdraw your money, decide to hold it or to spend it, for crypto, it's not like that. Whatever transactions you want to do is done online. It's easier and faster. Think of it like recharging your phone or using your mobile app. You find out it's easier and convenient to use. The best part is that the government doesn't have control over crypto, so anyone, anywhere can make use of it. Secondly, what's the difference between cryptocurrency and traditional bank money? Money in traditional bank is controlled by the government, and the CBN has control over your account. They can as well restrict some transactions in your account. And you will also have to have an account with the bank, which may require some paperwork, you standing on the long queue to wait for your turn, having customer issues, problem, and the rest. But with crypto, the government doesn't control your account. The CBN cannot order your transactions or monitor your transactions. So anyone, anywhere can make use of crypto. Also, in traditional banks, some transactions can be reversed. But with crypto, once a transaction is made, it cannot be reversed. And all transactions are recorded publicly on something called the blockchain. We will dive into the blockchain for you to get to understand what the blockchain is all about. Thirdly, we're talking about the examples of cryptocurrency. There are lots of cryptocurrency we have now. But the first cryptocurrency that came out is Bitcoin. We have Ethereum, we have Celo, we have Binance Coin, we have Litecoin, and so on. You can actually make more research about that to see more cryptocurrencies we have. The fourth topic is, how does cryptocurrency works? Cryptocurrency works using a technology called blockchain. Now, what is blockchain? Blockchain is a secured public ledger that stores or records cryptocurrencies transactions. Now, think of it like your account statement that contains all your transactions done over a period of time. But on blockchain, not only your transactions you can see, but you can see every other person's transactions on the blockchain. The cool part about blockchain is that the ledger is shared across thousands of computers so that no one can cheat or secretly change anything on the blockchain. Also, when a transaction is being added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered, meaning it saves permanently on the blockchain. You cannot delete it, neither can you edit it. In the fifth topic, we'll be learning about the advantages and disadvantages of cryptocurrency. Well, whatever that have an advantage has a disadvantage. So let's dive into the advantages of cryptocurrency. It is not controlled by the government or the bank. This gives you more financial freedom. You can use it at any time, at anywhere. The government does not restrict your transactions, neither does the government monitors your transactions, making it free and accessible for everyone to make use of. You can send and receive money globally with a low transaction fee. Anyone with a smartphone and a stable internet connection can use it. All transactions are recorded on the blockchain, meaning anyone can have access to their transactions. Now, the disadvantages. The value of cryptocurrency can change. It can be this value today and that value the next day. So the value of cryptocurrency fluctuates, making it difficult for investment most times. There are fake projects everywhere, there are scammers everywhere, mostly online. So when making your transactions, you have to be careful and mindful. Once a transaction is being made, it cannot be reversed. So before you send your money, you should be careful who you are sending your money to. There is nobody to complain to, no customer care or a bank to rely on for your complaints. So when a mistake is being made, you just have to test it yourself. In conclusion, cryptocurrency is here to stay. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye for now.